What is up, everybody? I am the Gold Grade Gamer, and I'm going to be helping you fix a problem. My gosh, people, I have never been so mad. I spent 3 hours trying to get this freaking Origin stuff set up. I've been to so many websites, I've been watching so many videos, and nothing has helped me at all. But as you can see from right here, I've got it going. Let me show you how. So, immediately went to the website because for some reason, I don't know what happened, it just messed up. So I deleted it, uninstalled it, because I planned on re-downloading the updated version, and it just wasn't working. Nothing was working. So I went to the website, go sign in, do whatever you need to do. Go right here, or the Mac, whichever one that you want to do, and you download it. And when you download it, this pops up right here. So when it installs to your page, this is where I experienced the biggest problem, because no matter how many times I click on it, no matter how many times that I would run as administrator, no matter how many times I did anything, it would never install. It was there, but it never installed. No pop-ups came up, nothing. So, research. I got online, started doing as much research as I can. I'm just going to jump into it because I know you guys want to play your games. Right click, go to properties, compatibility, run compatibility troubleshooter. Now, don't worry about anything that this says. Don't even read it. Don't do nothing. It's going to help you out. So what I did was clicked on try recommended settings, and then I clicked right here, test the program. When I tested the program, it started to download, and it updated. It did everything that it needed to do to get up here. Now this pops. This will stay here. You can just get rid of it. You can finally say okay, cancel, whatever you want to do, and you can get out of this, and boom, you have got your games. So follow that process, get your games going, get back to playing your games. I appreciate all of y'all. Give a like and subscribe. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time.